Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to make a really short video this morning. I'm on my way to hit the road to drive down to Maryland to meet up with some friends from high school academy, Garden State Academy. Haven't seen them in some of them since 1985, the day we graduated. So anyway, I wanted to give you an update on things I've been doing here in New York. The most exciting thing I want to talk about is working with some kids with the local Boys and Girls Club. We had two little boys, three really, but one didn't make it to the performance. Two boys about 10 years old, one that I worked with last year who stepped up to learn the song Safe and Sound in Our Town, which was composed by my friend Chris Robinson. And it's about teaching kids how to resist predators, which is in an age-appropriate way for children age 4 to 8. So there were over 250 supporters, including all the board members, major donors, and the staff, and other friends of the organization, and some of the kids and the parents. And so these boys performed it. I supported them. I was not able to get video, unfortunately. Things were kind of crazy, but it happened and I got some great feedback. And this is the kind of thing that I want to do with the Boys and Girls Clubs there in Riverside as well. Um, Kids love, there are some kids who love to perform and sing and dance, and so why not help them learn lyrics that will get into their subconscious and teach them, and just maybe save their lives one day. I'm finishing up the Jailhouse Jazz workshops here in Westchester County. I've My request to volunteer a few additional weeks was approved. So I was only allowed to get into the jail because of COVID in the last couple of weeks. So I wanted to spend a few more weeks in-person time getting them ready for the talent show, which will be on December 7. And if you know anyone in the area who would like to attend, I'm inviting a bunch of friends to come and help me applaud the talent in the room. We did a rehearsal this week, and one of the guys got up and belted out some, Andrea Bocelli opera. I mean, beautiful baritone voice. Oh my goodness. He was amazing. So you just, you can't tell by looking what kind of talent is in the room. And I'm using the interest in music and just the fun of connecting and performing for each other as a way of building bridges, building relationships. And one of my participants at the jail won't make it to the talent show because he's being released a few days prior. We were teasing him, saying, "You don't want to stay for the talent show?" But he's going to connect with me after he's released, and I'll be working with him through the reentry program to just help, help in any way that I can to make his reentry process more smooth and more sustainable, and just to help him connect with a different group of folks who are going to help him live a different life than the one that got him into jail. So that's about all I have for now. I'll be there. I'll be landing in Ontario on December 13, and I'm looking forward to being there for 3 months this time. The only reason I'm coming back to New York before March 18 is because I'm scheduled for a gig on that day. So I'm looking forward to getting to know you all better and spending more time with you this year. Have a great weekend, have a great week, and until I see you in a few weeks, may the Lord watch between you and me while we're absent one from another. Amen.